Welcome to the Weather Centre, where a cold front has left behind cooler weather over the southern part of the country, as well as the possibility of drizzle over parts of the Western Cape. We're still expecting mostly cloudy conditions with isolated showers in the southwest on Thursday, with a slight possibility of rainfall around Port Elizabeth. Then further inland, we can expect a windy Thursday over the southern and southeastern interior, with another warm day for KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld, and a sunny forecast for most of the interior. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for high seas along the coast, and that's between Table Bay and Port Alfred, with a total sea of between 6 and 9 metres, with a watch for gale force northwesterly winds also along the coast between Table Bay and Cape Agulhas, but mainly on Thursday night. Isolated showers are expected in the southwest on Thursday, with a slight chance of drizzle as we head towards the northern Cape, and a slight chance of rainfall for the coastal areas around Port Elizabeth. Daytime highs will peak in the mid-20s for KwaZulu-Natal, with a high of around 20 degrees between George and East London. Cool for Cape Town and Springbok, both at 17, in the mid-20s for Appington and Kimberley, and another mild day for Johannesburg at 22, with a high of 25 for Pretoria, Polokwane and Mahikeng, and a warm day for Mbombela at 28 degrees. Along the west coast, we're expecting a light to moderate northerly to northwesterly wind between Alexander Bay and Lambert's Bay, with good beach conditions there, but with the possibility of rainfall for Langebaan, with a large swell along the west coast at 4.5 metres, with wave heights between 6 and 8 feet. We're still expecting rain in the southwest, with an average wind speed of between 30 and 35 kilometres per hour from the Cape Town Atlantic side through to Hermanus, but with those gale force northwesterly winds on Thursday night, and the swell remains big here at 5.5 metres, with waves breaking between 7 and 9 feet. A light westerly wind is expected between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, with a moderate northwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth, and a slight possibility of rainfall through to Plettenberg Bay. Along the south coast, we'll see a 4-metre southerly swell, with wave heights between 5 and 7 feet. Another great beach day along the east coast, with light and variable winds, but a predominantly light southwesterly wind for East London, the Wild Coast and Durban, with more of an offshore component to the wind for Richards Bay. And here we're expecting a 1.5-metre southerly swell, with wave heights between 2 and 3 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Thursday.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com